3.
Yes, procedure.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker, I raised on a point of procedure. As you might be aware, Right Honourable Speaker, I'm a lead petitioner of 186 members of this House, your House, who appended their signatures for the motion. Right Honourable Speaker, the motion was duly submitted through the clerk. A notice was issued, and according to the rules, at that point, it was self-executing, so that within 14 days, that matter could be on the order paper, and then it would be for the debate. We came to know of certain interventions. I rose on procedure, Honorable. I rose on procedure. I rose on procedure. I rose on
it is
procedure.
okay. You'll respond to what he says. Let him continue with the procedure. You'll respond.
And I didn't expect Honorable Salirwa to jump up. You as well. Right, Honorable Speaker, after the mandatory 14 days, we were made to know that there are certain interventions that happened where some individuals went to court, and indeed a copy of the ruling was made available. However, the procedural point we are raising, Right Honourable Speaker, in the correspondences that followed, we requested as petitioners to sever the areas that were considered res judicata. On top of that, Right Honourable Speaker, we expected that the matter would be placed on the order paper so that you may rule against us. We don't say that we must win this, but the matter had to be captured by the Hansard and put on the order paper, then you make a ruling. And Right Honourable Speaker, you can only rule while you are in chair, because that's how you derive your mandate over this august House. Right Honourable Speaker, the procedure point I'm raising is that having gone through all that, and a third of your members, even if they are unreasonable, even if they did not understand much, but there is a point of concern about corruption. They wanted that matter debated by this House. They wanted to have opportunity to remove the commissioners. On other grounds, leave alone the service award. On other grounds, misconduct is part of it. You have misbehavior, part of